welcome to Traveling Spoon with Ivy. Today we will be making scrambled eggs with bacon. Now, scrambled eggs and bacon is found at many cafes as a breakfast item. But why spend $10 at a cafe to buy these when you could make them at home? They are just as delicious, and if you make these for your parents, they will definitely love you even more. You will need 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk. For the bread, you could use any bread, but I am using rye sourdough, 1 slice of bacon, salt and pepper. Now, you don't have to use paprika if you can't handle the spice, but I will be using it. Freshly chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon of butter, and some cheese. The utensils you will need is a whisk, a spatula, a cheese grater if you are using a block of cheese, a frying pan, and a small mixing bowl. First, we will crack the 2 large eggs into our mixing bowl and add our milk in it and beat until our eggs relax. Now we will add our salt and pepper into our mixture and continue mixing. Now that the eggs are ready, we can start cooking. First, we will grill our bacon. Then we will use the bacon grease and cook our bread a little bit to warm them up. Then, finally, we will make our eggs. When the bacon is done, the white fatty bits will start to become transparent, but you can cook it for a little bit longer if you're one of those people that like the crispy outside of bacon. Starting to become transparent now, huh? The bacon seems done now. Now we will grill our bread. Now we will scramble our eggs. Put in our butter. Swirl it so that all the butter gets everywhere. And pour in our egg mixture. Now these eggs will cook very quickly, so you just want to be able to watch it all the time and scrape it when it starts to solid up on the sides. Now we can turn off the fire. Now it's time for the plating. And our big block of cheese. This is my scrambled eggs and bacon for this lovely morning. I'll be making videos every week, and if you like my videos, like and subscribe, and let's be friends!